Hi boys and girls, our math lesson for today is actually our apprentice task, and I just wanted to let you know that we're not treating this like a regular apprentice task, we're treating it more like an opportunity for practice. So if you need help during this lesson, it's absolutely okay to ask for help, but we will be asking that you submit an example of your work. It's just this one page, so we'd love for you to upload this into your assignment. Make sure to add an attachment before you mark as done. For this task, you will need this worksheet. Or you could have a piece of paper that you've decided to recreate the worksheet on. You'll also need the number cards that we've been working with throughout this unit. Remember, they are numbered 0 through 9. And something to write with. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to do is that you are going to get your number cards and you're going to create a 3-digit number. That means that you're going to pull 3 cards to create your 3-digit number. You guys have already done this in a previous lesson. Wow, I shuffled these cards up and I still got 2, 3, and 4. So you're going to decide what number you want to make with your cards, okay? So I'm going to make 432. That's the number that I'm deciding that I want to make. So I'm going to write my number up here under the first section where it says my number. So once you draw your cards, you can put them aside. The next thing here says my number drawn with base 10 blocks. So you're going to show me how you would draw this number that you create up here using base 10 blocks. Remember, this large square represents 100. A little line or a stick represents a 10, and a dot represents a 1. So you're going to show me how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones your number has. Then you're going to write the number with words. I will attach the anchor chart from the first lesson in this unit again to help you with spelling those words correctly. After that, you're going to show me the number in expanded form. If you forget what any of these mean, check out the end of the lesson from Monday, which I will attach below. If you're not sure what one of these words means, like writing a number in expanded form, I explain it in that video and you can revisit it. The last part down here says my number on a number line. So if my number is 432, I'm going to choose where I want to put it on the number line. So let's say I chose to put it right here in the middle. What I want you to show me on this number line is 2 other numbers, one that's bigger and one that's smaller. So a number that's bigger, it's your choice, than 432, I'm going to put 547. And one number that's smaller than 432, so maybe I'll put 326. Okay, so you want to add your number kind of somewhere close to the middle and at least 2 numbers, one that's bigger and one that's smaller on the number line. So the first thing you're going to do is draw your cards and then decide what you want your number to be. Remember, you need 3 cards to make a 3-digit number. Then you're going to show me that number using base 10 blocks. Remember, the big squares represent 100, a stick or a line represents 10, and a dot represents a 1. Then you're going to write the number out with words here. You're going to write out whatever your number is. So I would be writing out 432. Then I'm going to write that number in expanded form. And remember, if you forget what expanded form is, I want you to revisit the video where I teach it, and I'll be sure to link that below. And then the last thing is this number line. You're going to put your number on the number line and then at least 2 other numbers, one that's smaller and one that's bigger. All right, boys and girls, good luck with your apprentice task. This is just some practice of some of the things we've worked on so far. If you need support from a helper, it's okay to ask for help, but challenge yourself to try it on your own first and see how it goes. When you're done, be sure to add an attachment of your apprentice task so that your teachers can check in with you and see how you're doing. All right, boys and girls, good luck. Have a great day. Bye.